Average cost to replace deployed airbags in a car.
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing the average cost to replace deployed airbags in a car. Airbags are an essential safety feature in vehicles, designed to protect occupants during collisions. However, once they are deployed, they need to be replaced to ensure the vehicle's safety systems are fully functional. So, let's dive into the details and find out the average cost of replacing deployed airbags.
Why do airbags need to be replaced?
Airbags are deployed during accidents or collisions to cushion and protect the vehicle occupants. Once an airbag is deployed, it cannot be reused or reinstalled. This means that if your vehicle's airbags have been deployed, they must be replaced to maintain the vehicle's safety systems and ensure optimal protection in future incidents.
Factors influencing the cost.
Several factors contribute to the cost of replacing deployed airbags. It's important to keep in mind that these costs can vary depending on various factors, including 1. Vehicle make and model. The make and model of your car can significantly impact the cost of replacing deployed airbags. Different vehicles have different airbag systems, and the cost of replacement parts can vary accordingly. Luxury or high-end vehicles may have more expensive airbags compared to budget-friendly cars. 2. Number of airbags deployed. The number of airbags deployed in an accident will also affect the overall cost of replacement. If multiple airbags were activated, the cost will naturally be higher than if only one airbag needs to be replaced. 3. Labor costs. Labor costs play a crucial role in the total expense of airbag replacement. Mechanics or technicians will need to remove the damaged airbags, install the new ones, and ensure proper calibration and functionality. Labor costs can vary depending on the repair shop's hourly rate, location, and expertise. 4. Additional repairs. In some cases, deploying airbags can cause damage to other components of the vehicle, such as the steering wheel, dashboard, or seat belts. If additional repairs are necessary due to the deployment, it can further increase the overall cost.
Average cost range.
Now, let's discuss the average cost range for replacing deployed airbags. Keep in mind that these figures are estimates and can vary depending on the factors we just discussed. On average, replacing a single deployed airbag can cost anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500. This estimate includes the cost of the airbag itself, labor charges, and any additional repairs that may be required. If multiple airbags were deployed, the cost can increase accordingly. For instance, replacing 2 airbags may cost between $1,800 to $2,500, while replacing a full set of airbags in a vehicle can range from $3,000 to $5,000. And there you have it. The average cost to replace deployed airbags in a car can vary depending on factors such as the vehicle make and model, the number of airbags deployed, labor costs, and any additional repairs needed. Remember, these figures are estimates, and it's always best to consult with a trusted mechanic or repair shop to get an accurate cost assessment for your specific vehicle. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.